Hello and welcome back. So we will now be designing a banner for a Twitch user, okay? So if you don't know what Twitch is, it's a live streaming platform. People can live stream games, they can live stream walking around anywhere they want. Like you can live stream, for example, like a YouTube vlog, like a day in the life. You could live stream absolutely anything, but mainly I'd say it's for gaming live streams, okay? So yes, we'll be designing a banner for a Twitch account. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, just at the top here where it says create a design, head over to the right and click more. Now you could call these a banner, you could call these a header, absolutely anything what you want to call it, of course. Now if you scroll down to social media and email headers, on the very right here you'll see Twitch banner. So click that right now and let the new page load out. And once it's loaded, this is what you will get. Okay, so this is where you'll be designing, and on the left here is all of the layouts which you will have to choose from. So first things first, you just need to choose a layout. So there's many different layout options here, absolutely tons and tons and tons. So just keep scrolling down, there's just more and more and more. So out of all of these, you need to pick one which is perfect for you. So this bottom one here, I'm just going to click this as I've just scrolled all the way to it. So as you can see, it says Mosh is currently offline, coming back shortly. It says follow my social media for updates with Facebook, and I'm not actually sure what that is meant to be. It's a logo for a social media, I can't remember, and then Twitter as well. I can't remember what that is though for some reason, I can't remember, sorry. And finally, of course, at the very top of the design, it says official channel. I'm just going to open up Twitch for you to show you where on a Twitch page this would actually go. Okay, so here you go. There's many different people that use Twitch. Now here's two different people. This one is called Vicstar123, and this is what we'll be designing, something like this. So as you can see, it says when he's currently not streaming, it has all of his different social media profiles and so on and so forth. And then there's another one called Mr. Marsbar, and he just says I'm currently offline, follow me to be notified when I'm next live. Okay, so it's nice and simple. You know what we're making now, and hopefully you understand it. So yeah, let's just get straight into designing it. So here we are just going to change some of this text, some of the design work, and just make it so it is our own. Okay, so first of all, it's going to change this here to black brick instead of mosh. So black brick is currently offline. Now that needs to be slightly smaller to fit in. Black brick is currently offline, and then I will say we will be streaming soon. Okay, fantastic. And then full stop. We will be streaming soon. And then at the bottom, follow my social media for updates. We're going to have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Okay, so now I need an Instagram logo. So just type in Instagram, hit enter. So we need an illustration. So just make sure you have illustration selected. And then this second one here, we can fit in with these others here. So if we delete this middle one, select this second one, set the color to white, like so. And then make it so it's the same size as these other two just here, just like this. And there we go. So that is exactly the same size as these two now. And it is also centered. So as you can see, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, follow my social media for updates. I'm going to change it from my to our, so OUR. And then we have official channel just here at the top. We're just going to change this to the ultimate online courses. There we go, the ultimate online courses. That looks nice. And then black brick is currently offline. We'll be streaming soon. Fantastic. Okay, so this is nice. I like this. And it's got sort of a space theme to it, as you can see with the planet in the background. Now what we could do is have each of our usernames for our social media profiles. For Facebook, it's Black Brick Training. For Instagram, it's also Black Brick Training. But for Twitter, it's Black Brick Learn. So we know we have 3 different usernames, which is quite annoying. But not to worry. Let's just move this to the edge here. So just where it starts to say follow. And let's move this to the end where it starts to say updates. And then if we duplicate this text at the top and change it to say something different, say for example, facebook.com/blackbricktraining. Awesome. And now let's make this box smaller so it fits in perfectly. And now we want to move this down here. As you can see, it doesn't quite fit. Now there's a few different things we can do to sort this out. First of all, we don't want it to be bold, so we can change that. And then we can change the letter spacing so that it fits in better, like so. And what I'm going to do is make this box as small as possible so that it fits in, and then just change the spacing all the way down until it all fits. Okay, so there we go, /black brick training. Awesome. So that fits just there. And we might actually want to move this to the left a little bit more, and the logo as well, of course. So there we go, that is that, /black brick training. Awesome. Now we need to just duplicate this as it is the same for Instagram. So Control D duplicates it, and then let's grab this and put it over here. And it's not /, instead it is @. Fantastic. So let's put that there, and then let's grab the Twitter logo and move this to the right. There we go. We're trying to make this all fit in as nicely as possible, just like this. There we go, very nice. And then at Twitter, we are @blackbricklearn. So let's duplicate this one more time and then change it from @blackbricktraining to @blackbricklearn. So let's take out this last bit and let's put in learn. There we go, fantastic. And then let's just make this smaller so it all fits in. Once again, there we go. So this doesn't really look centered to me. So what I'm going to do is just center this just like so. Fantastic. So now that is centered very nicely. So we have Facebook/BlackBrickTraining, Instagram @BlackBrickTraining, and Twitter @BlackBrickLearn. So there we go, the Ultimate Online Courses. BlackBrick is currently offline, we'll be streaming soon, and that is everything. Okay, so of course you can change the background image just by searching for any random image, or we can just go to Elements and Free Photos and drag in any image that we want. So any random image, just like this one, just drag it over the top, and there you go. But I'm going to click Control and Z to undo that, as I actually quite like that image in the background. And of course, once again, we can change the color of this rectangle we have just here, and we can change it to a blue, we can change it to a pink, we can change it to a white, green, anything we want, okay? But I'm going to leave that as a, not black, but just a dark grey, because I think that looks a lot nicer. And then we're going to change the name of the file to Twitch banner and hit enter. And then we're going to the top left and click File, Save. So there we go, that is now saved. This is our Twitch banner. We have done it in under 10 minutes. It's absolutely fantastic. I am very happy with it, and hopefully you are too. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.